Salesman.com.
You gonna make any sales today?
You know it, Gil. Waiting on the pros.
Not the cousins!
Can I help you?
You work here?
What's it to you?
I want to know how much the bike is.
How much you got?
No, man, how much is the bike?
He said, how much you got?
High pressure sales? Never at Craig Power Sports.
You know how to count?
No. Guys, what's going on?
We didn't tell you, Gil?
It's the best idea ever.
Oh man, sales are gonna be jumping through the roof.
At Craig Power Sports, we don't need gimmicks to be a powerhouse.
Hey ladies, we got color TVs.
We got cable.
Get your bike on. Get your bike on. Get your leather, your color, your bike on. Boom, boom.
Drive a pickle, ride a sickle from Big Bob. Big Bob, fool.
$100 bill, $100 bill, $100 bill, $100 bill, $100 bill.
You know what we're saying?
Well, Daddy-O, no, but you'll never get a bad rap at Craig Power Sports.
Gil, line 1, Better Business Bureau.
Fred! Ted!
Salesman.com.